Hello guys, new machine, new video. Today I'm showing you one of my favorite tattoo supplies equipment shop or the manufacturer. That is the Mast. Last week sent to me one new machine what is what you can now buy it. Machine name is Mast Fold Generation 2, and I make it some of tattoos with this machine. I'm use it around 5-6 hours, and I will say my opinion. And my box, white, nice logo, Mast. Everything in this box is now here. I'm open before because I'm always trying machine before making video and using this trying for showing you how I do it, something on the skin and tattoo and everything. In the box you have user manual. Everything what is important is here on different languages. I not understand what is this. That is always for water or something. Second, we have machine. I will do it complete out. And third, we have box with USB cable. Yes, USB cable for battery. This, maybe you leave it this only here. Okay, machine type pen, everything same like another machine. Especially this one is different because you have 7 different strokes from 4.2 to 2.4. Easy to use it. You can make it changing of hub. You only make it here and gently change it. You heard every click, tick, tick, every click you hear it when you want to change it. For the strokes or hub, 2.4, 2.7, 3 shading from softer to harder. That is for what I use it. 3.3, 3.6 I'm use it for color packing, color blending and everything else in type of colors. And 3.6, 3.9 for lines, black pack, color packing and everything else. If you want to change for the grip, you hear it, click system, that is the grip. Battery is here, only push it out, and that is the motor. Now we are assembled. When you want to put it, battery back, battery only push it here, and grip of course there. To starting machine, push it the top button and you see it. Now is around 48% of capacity of battery. First time I charge it to 100 and I'm use it. My honest is that I use it around 4.5 hours, and you see it is now around half. I will try it and then I will put it in description below how long is this battery is going. On every website and every video what I see it say to me then is around 6 hours. Around 6 hours. I think it's more from 6 hours. Capacity from battery is 2000 milliampere. Operation output voltage is from 4 to 12. If now it's 9.6, and when you want to make it down, only push this minus button or the left, and you see it, they're going on 4. If you want to go more, then you push it plus button on the right side. I always have a problem with right or left side. Now it's the 12 volt. Here we see it green. Green is battery, here is percent, here is voltage, and here is time. Always when you make it 1 to 2, always will stay there how long you are working. Now it's from the second tattoo what I do it, and the second tattoo I will show you in this video for the something for fly line. Starting machine, only push it the top button. Now it's 4 volt, and you not heard machine. Is very stable machine, not noisy, very quiet, and low vibration on 4. A normal operation, what I do it on 4.2. Yes, now it's 4.2. On 4.2 is around 8 to 9. 8, you feel it a little bit vibration, but it's nothing. And you hear it a little bit more, but it's nothing from another machine what I use it and try it. If you want to stop machine, you will push it here. What is one more good thing when you want to when you're working in this position, and if you not see it battery, you can use it that and you see it. That is nice option. That is very nice option. You can choose it your position from battery, you can see it everything, and very good. It's easy to cover. I'm showing at the end of this video, I will show you in how I cover this machine, how I protect this machine. Everything is the same. I'm always have a same process from covering. You need only barrier film foil, and you only need grip tape from grip, and bandage grip tape, and always is protected. I think I have around here somewhere one needle, then I want to show you, then I want to hear it how going with needle. Second. Yes, it's here. I will use it one needle that I have here. For every needle, every cartridge needle is good. Every cartridge needle you can put it there, and it's when you put it, you hear it. It's there. And now it's 4.2, 3.9, 3.6, 3.3, 3, 2.7, 2.4. Nice to handle. If you ask me, I always more like it the bigger grip. This one is a little bit small for me. I'm always using bigger grip, something like what you have on FK's Xecoo, but I think one day Mast will do it bigger grip for this machine. What will do it for Mast Fold 1. first generation, and it's good. Only what was for me the biggest problem when I working and when I want to change it deepness from needle, I'm always make it this and then change it stroke. That is only what I do it with old machine and without the rechangeable strokes. And I must in my head transmission, then I must always take it here and then making changing deepness from tattoo needle, not here. Then you're changing everything, and that is it. That is the only problem what I have it with this machine. Everything else was perfect. I can do it smooth lines, I can do it soft shade, and I want to try it in color. What will do it in color. What is more important here, start stop is USB-C. You can make it out, you can see it complete machine, and that is that. Not something special, but is very nice machine for this type of money. Price range is around 150-160 euros. You can buy it on Amazon. I'm put it description. I put it link in description below where you can order this machine. You have special discount 10% on this machine if you buy it from this link. And voila, I think for beginners and for middle age artists what tattooing around 1 year, it's wow machine, really good. If you have some questions, or if you want to see it more videos like this type, or you want to see more videos from tattoos or something, comment in this video or send me message on Insta, Facebook, TikTok, where you want, or do nothing. Look it, share it, subscribe it, like it. To the next time we see each other. Bye.